So if you have been following my channel by now, you should all know that I am currently in the USA. One of the lessons that I learned is never to travel close to a holiday, because it was close to 4th of July, guys. When I got to New York, we had to be flying around in the air for like an hour because there was too much traffic in the airport. And then we finally got out the plane. Azania and I spent 3 hours plus in immigration. It was packed with people. I've never had that experience before, but now I know when I'm traveling not to travel close to a holiday. Plus, I departed from Montego Bay Airport, which is not my favorite airport at all. I like to depart from Norman Manley. So I'm here in New York and I'm ready to work. I've already started the work. I'm in New York on my back to school supply drive, and I am asking for everyone kind support. And I want to take the time out to say thank you to so many of my donors who have reached out. Some persons donating for the first time. I mean, people have reached out from Ohio, Washington, Florida, South Carolina, Massachusetts, all over the USA. And I'm grateful. I mean, some of the items have not yet reached me because they're mostly sent by Amazon, Walmart, and so on. You know, it takes a couple of days, so I'm waiting to see what I have. Then I can tell you guys more of what I need and what we can tick off. Like now I can tell you we can tick off the popcorn machine and the snow cone machine I had asked for. But as it pertains to the other supplies, more are needed. And also the tablets and the laptops that I say can be new or gently used. If you have those items, I'd really appreciate it. Cartoon character outfits, like, you know, Superman, Batman, whatever kind of outfits. Doesn't have to be brand new. Alright, just something to entertain the kids and give them a nice treat on the day. I look forward for more support. If you want to reach me, you can WhatsApp me at 876-919-5344, or you can email shanzenzenjam@gmail.com, all lowercase, and I can send you the information as how you can drop off the items, the supplies, or how you can mail it to the address I'm staying. So remember, guys, financial donation is also needed to help with sending off the barrels to Jamaica. And of course, I'll be using my duty free to clear the barrels, but we still have to pay custom duties and the office charge for the paperwork of the shipping company. So thanks again for the support. I'm here in New York and I will be here. The barrels will be sent off next week, Saturday, to ensure they get to Jamaica in time. Alright? So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And I'm going to share some little clips of me and Azania in New York. Alright. 4th of July didn't work out as planned due to mechanical issues with the vehicle that was supposed to take us. But we still managed to see like a fireworks, and this Friday we're going to see some fireworks. Well, it's Azania that wants to see it. We're in the Bronx again. Azania in the place. Azania. Yeah, so you know it's summertime. Tomorrow is actually 4th of July, which is US independence. 277 years. I'm not gonna say it because I don't wanna make any mistake. But like people just hanging out on the corner. They turn on the fire hydrant. Like people just. I see some kids who are here playing, but they're gone. They were just playing. Yeah. And now I'm gonna take you up White Plains. We'll go up on White Plains Road. Hold on. Thank you. Azania and I take a stroll. I always want to vlog from White Plains Road because White Plains, White Plains, White Plains, White Plains Road kind of remind me of Kingston. Yeah, literally when you go on White Plains Road, you just hear people talking patois. It's like, you know, there's a lot of Jamaicans living in the Bronx, especially in this area. So we're walking, heading up to White Plains Road. Yeah. I don't have my good camera with me because I have bad luck with phones. My phones keep breaking. It's a nice little stroll, so I might just stop the video and start again when we're closer to White Plains Road. Yeah. But how are you enjoying your time here in the United States thus far? It's nice. Okay.
You're out of breath already?
Yes, darling. Mommy needs to exercise.
Yep.
Mommy needs to walk. We're gonna flip it.
Holding me down.
You look like a Power Ranger. You look like you've been working out.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, already decorate for 4th of July.
We are on White Plains Road.
Yes, we are. We are, and this is actually the train station. This is where the train goes up above. We have beauty stores. Oh yeah, we can pass the beauty store. The train actually passing now.
That's a long train.
Yeah. Making a lot of noise. Alright, come. That's actually a beautiful nails store. Yeah. It's blurry. I don't give a shit about.
Just the other day, people are buying.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to McDonald's.
We just like walk.
That's the qualification.
Yeah. All might. How much feet this big? Eh? Come over here. Come out of the road. Pretty.